Welcome to Soulful Living, beautiful beings of the light. This week's episode focuses on the crown chakra and completes the series of the 7 chakras. Do stay to the end to hear the beautiful meditation that awaits you. This is the 7th principal chakra located at the crown of your head, where 1,000 petals open to source. These 1,000 petals represent the full blossoming of the lotus flower and symbolizes infinity. The colors of this flower are violet and radiant white. In Sanskrit, it is called Sahasrara Chakra. It is the supreme consciousness and spiritual enlightenment. The sound is Om, 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 the sound of the universe. It is said when the crown chakra is open and balanced, it leads to a more positive outlook in life and an awakening of emotions which include gratitude, love, compassion, and acceptance. This energy hosts the vibration of the endocrine system, particularly the pituitary, the hypothalamus, and the pineal gland. The pineal gland sits deeply within the brain, and this hormone affects all the other glands within the endocrine system and mirrors the crown's chakra relationship with the other chakras. The aromas linked with this chakra are violet and with amber. To stimulate the opening of the chakra, the essential oils of frankincense and jasmine and Roman chamomile quieten its energy. The main gemstone of clarity is the diamond or the moissanite and symbolizes clarity with perfection, although you may also use a clear quartz. When you are struggling with trauma or with betrayal, the crown chakra cannot open and needs to be rebalanced. So amethyst is another option. The process to rebalance are to surrender, release, and let the incoming will be the will of God working within us and through us. This leads to an increase of knowledge in mystical union and mystical marriage. The key words are defined by spiritual alchemists as the soul in you, receptive in its energy, but clouded by the burden and experience of life. White jade is another gemstone that helps with the communication of the higher self. So I welcome you to join this sacred space where we will journey inward to explore the crown chakra's opening, the gateway to infinite consciousness, universal energy, and divine connection. Before we begin, let's take a moment to set an intention for this practice. The crown chakra, or the Sahasrara, is the seat of our highest consciousness, where we connect with the universal energy and the divine wisdom. As we explore this space together, Allow yourself to let go of any distractions, doubts, or expectations. This is your sacred moment to reconnect with your true essence, to feel the infinite love and wisdom that is always within you. If you would like to hold a crystal, such as your clear quartz, to amplify your connection, or anoint your crown with a deep drop of essential oil like lavender and jasmine, these small rituals can help to deepen your experience. Take a moment to settle in. Find a comfortable position, either seated or lying down, and let your body relax. This is your time, your sacred moment to connect with the highest part of yourself. So let's begin. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in through the nose. Feel your belly expand as you draw in fresh, calm energy. Now exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any tension or worries from your day. Let's repeat. Inhale deeply and exhale fully. One more time. Breathe in peace and breathe out anything that no longer serves you. Feel your body becoming lighter, your mind quieter, and your heart opening. Bring your attention to the very top of your head, the crown chakra. Imagine a lotus flower resting there. The petals closed but shimmering with a soft violet or white glow. Now see a beam of white, golden light in pure radiance, descending from the universe above. This light is infinite, eternal, and filled with wisdom. It gently touches the lotus at the crown of your head, and as it does so, the petals begin to open one by one. Feel the warmth of this divine light pouring into you. It flows through your unity with the universe. As this light continues to flow, repeat these affirmations either silently or aloud. I am connected to the infinite source of wisdom. I trust the universe to guide me. I am one with all that is. Feel the truth of these words resonating deep within you. With every affirmation, the light within you grows brighter, expanding outward beyond your physical body. Now imagine this radiant energy spreading out in all directions. It flows through your heart, through your hands, through your feet, and beyond. See yourself as not separate. You are part of the whole. Feel the oneness, the infinite love, and the peace of this connection. Take a moment here to simply be. Allow yourself to rest in the stillness of this connection to the infinite. If thoughts arise, let them pass like clouds in the sky, and gently return your focus to the light. Now slowly bring your awareness to your body. Wiggle your fingers and your toes, grounding yourself in this present moment. Take a deep breath in and exhale gently. When you feel ready, open your eyes. Notice how you feel. Sense your lightness, more connected and at peace. As we close this meditation, take a moment to reflect on the energy you've cultivated. The light of your crown chakra connects you to the infinite, reminding you that you are being guided by the wisdom of the universe, and that you are never alone. Carry this connection as you move through your daily life. If you would like to journal about your experience, noting any feelings, images, or insights that came to you during this practice, these reflections can help you to integrate the energy of the crown chakra into your daily life. Thank you for allowing me to guide you on this journey. May your path always be illuminated by the light of your highest self. Take a moment to express your gratitude for this practice, for the light within you, and for the infinite universe that surrounds and supports you. Thank you for sharing this sacred time with me today. Remember, the light of your crown chakra is always available to you, a bridge to your highest self and the divine wisdom of the cosmos. Future episodes are coming up relating to the crystal energies of different stones and linking some of them with the chakras as well, with their different energies. You'll find me at Center of Unified Healing on YouTube and Soulful Living on Spotify and Apple Podcasts. Thank you everyone for today.